Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix the Remitly app on your iPhone or iOS device. Basically, if you're experiencing a lot of errors, or the app is continuously loading, or if there's bugs or glitches or whatever, you can hopefully follow all of the solutions in this video and it will help you overcome these issues. So I've got my iPhone right here. I've got the Remitly app installed on this device. I'm going to open the Remitly app. And then for the sake of this video, let's just say that the Remitly app is not working and it's continuously loading, or if there's bugs or glitches, what we can do is swipe out from the bottom, and then you need to basically hold from the bottom of your device and then swipe upwards, and then that will show you all of the currently running apps on this device. Go back to Remitly, and you can actually hold the Remitly app and swipe up from the bottom, and that's going to close the Remitly app so that we can go back in, press Remitly again, and hopefully that actually fixes your issues and you can start using the app effectively again. But from there, guys, maybe it's just an issue with your Wi-Fi connection. Maybe you've not got a stable internet connection. A lot of the apps nowadays require a good internet connection to be able to use them effectively. And we can do that by going to settings and checking the Wi-Fi connection. So go to settings, go up to the top, go to the Wi-Fi section. And then from there, we can see that I'm connected to my home internet. This is an EE internet. This is a very, very stable internet connection. But if you don't have that, maybe you can connect to a personal hotspot, or maybe you just have to use mobile data. So you can check that by going out of here and going to the mobile data section, and then make sure that mobile data is toggled on the top right, and also make sure that roaming is turned on as well by going to mobile data options, and then making sure that the data roaming toggle is toggled on. But from there, it might just be an issue with your app not actually running the latest update, the latest version of the app. And we need to check that by going to the App Store. And then down in the bottom right, there's the search page. Up at the top, start typing in Remitly. And then what we can do is press the search button on the bottom right, and it's going to bring up a bunch of different listings for you. Go to the first organic link for Remitly right here, and on the right hand side of the app there's a button that says open, and that basically just means that we are currently running the latest version of this app. But if you're not running the latest version of the app, your button will look similar, but it will have the word update in there instead. And you want to press the update button, and it will download all the files from the newest update and install it on your iPhone or iOS device. However, guys, if you're still experiencing issues, what we now need to do is to clear all of the cache on your device from this app. So we do that by going back to the settings, go back to the main page, go down until you find General, and then find the iPhone storage section. Go to iPhone storage, and then we need to find Remitly in here. So I've now found Remitly. It was near the bottom of this page. Select Remitly, and then you'll find a button in the middle of the screen that says Offload App in blue text. Press that, and then when you press Offload App again at the bottom, that's going to confirm and clear all of the cache from this app on this device. What we can now do is press Reinstall App, and that's going to reinstall all of the files for the Remitly app and reinstall it on your device. So hopefully that fixes all of the issues for you, and you can use Remitly again on your iPhone or iOS device. However, if none of these solutions have worked for you, what you need to do as a hard reset, as a last resort, you need to delete the app and then completely reinstall it again through the App Store. And we can do that from within this page. Press Delete App in the red text at the bottom, and then confirm by pressing Delete App again. That's going to remove Remitly for you on this device, so that we can go back to the App Store, find the listing, and then on the right hand side there's a cloud icon with a downwards pointing arrow. Press that, and it's going to download all of the Remitly app files on your device for you. So hopefully that'll fix all of your issues and you can start using Remitly again on your iPhone or iOS device. However, guys, if none of these solutions worked at all, what you really need to do is contact Remitly via their website. Go and find an email address or a phone number or a live chat option and tell them all the problems that you're experiencing when trying to use the app, and hopefully they can come up with a solution tailored directly for you. And if all else fails, please just comment down below on this video. Tell me what you're experiencing. I will then be able to come up with a solution for you, hopefully and get you using the Remitly app again on your device. So guys, hopefully this video has been helpful. Hopefully it's helped you fix the problems with the app that you're experiencing. If it has been useful, then I would really appreciate a like and a subscribe to the My Tech Mastery YouTube channel. Thanks very much.